Alright, so we're playing rarity upgrade thing where basically we get like a rare or like I don't know what type of balls, but orbs, my bad. Orbs, and we exchange them for money. See? So the common ones are like $1. That rare one was 10. And the more money we make, processing speed. We could upgrade this, but yeah, you could, you could basically upgrade more right here, right there, if you didn't see, right over there. Right now I'm at 17 bucks, 18, 28. Okay, basic dropper. Oh, so now we are more likely to drop better ones. I think so. They come out of these poop looking things, and then I just toss them inside here, and then they make us money. Okay, what else is around here? Oh, we could buy eggs for diamonds. I've never seen a diamond yet. Don't know what about a diamond looks. Okay, automatic. Delete. No, I need them all because I'm broke right now. Okay. Could I upgrade my factory? I think so, right here. But that's gonna take a lot of money. Okay, what is the next thing? We could get this thing. The next upgrade is the 40 bucks right there. Basic chopper 3. Okay, I think we're almost at 40 bucks, so let me just turn these in. Should be good. By the time we get here, it should be 40. Yep. Now we got 3 poop looking things that are pooping these orbs out. I want to show us over here like what type we have. Oh, what is this? Mystic? Are we supposed to get it this early in the game? Doesn't matter, we have it now. Okay, we claimed some money. No free gifts and that. Free gifts and whatnot. Okay, we're getting a diamond? What was that? Why was it shiny? Oh, we got diamonds. Yeah, we did. We got 90 diamonds. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these diamonds. Okay, obby, free boost. Okay, so if I complete this obby, I get a boost basically. That's what I said. Alright, just don't fall. Look at this looking ugly looking tree. I'm supposed to go over here and then don't touch the water. Okay, I almost touched the water, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, 2 times luck for 1 minute, 3 times processing speed, 2 times cash. I'm gonna do the luck because the luckier they are, the more valuable they are, so that's like basically more than 2 times. 2 times luck, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, should be 2 times luck now. Okay, we got these red things too. I don't know what those are for. Let me do this boost thing. Let me do the obby, and then we can do 2 times cash for the 2 times luck. So that way we're rich, and at the same time we're doubling our cash. Yep. I think that's a great thinking process. Process of thinking. I'm being smart is basically what I'm trying to say. Okay, if I put these in here. Okay, now we're getting 2 times. Hopefully. I hope. I believe so. I think so. Okay, we have 300. I'm sure we could buy something. Processing speed, not that important for me right now. Okay, we got fancy. Ooh, look at these. These are blue poop looking things. Those are red poop looking things. I guess they give us more orbs, which means more money, which means better upgrades, and get a 2nd floor. Okay. Like we're moving up in life right now. Okay, we got the mystics are like really good. I think that's why they're mystics, but trying to sound like I'm smart, but I'm not. Okay, what's this red looking thing? What is this door? Basement? Yeah, I don't know about rebirthing right now. Let me look around. Okay, we got eggs, and I'm pretty broke. I don't have enough for eggs. I could get the processing speed. Don't really need it right now, but actually we might. Look at the amount of balls we have now. Orbs, my bad. Same thing. Okay, now put these in here. Quick sell, or don't really need it. We need $300 for efficient dropper. So we got red looking thing, blue looking thing, and then what would the other one be? Oh, what is that? It's the first time getting it. Legendary. I would expect Mystic to be better than Legendary, but I guess not. Okay, where could I see the tags? No. Stats? No. Stats? No. Not tags, not stats. I forgot what it was. Oh, we get to claim some gifts. What are these gifts? Exotic. How much is exotic? Please be really exotic-y. Okay, we're at 1,000. Oh, 2,000 for the exotic? Damn. Okay. I'm just gonna walk through all these. Yeah, we're look, now we got green and purple poop looking things. Yeah, we're getting these easily. These are like nothing now. I'll just stand here and collect it. I feel so rich. This is the richest I've ever felt. And now it's just gonna process it for us. All I have to do is sit back, come here, collect some balls, and go back. Orbs, again, same thing. I'm surprised I didn't get any diamonds yet. Oh, as I said that, we got diamonds. We got another exotic. Let's go. Exotic is the best. Legendary is good. The other ones are good. Just exotic. Whew. I need a lot of that. Okay. I think I want to do. We'll upgrade the speed, just cause why not? And then I'm gonna go and do this obby once more, and I'll try to get the better orbs, cause why not? We need better orbs. Come on, just drop down here and we'll get 2 times luck. Oh, there's so much orbs. I didn't expect there to be this much right now. Okay, we're at 1,000 and something. I'm too lazy to count. Okay, we'll get this one and then we'll get the. Oh, we can't afford the second floor yet. Okay, epics are good. I might have to remove the uncommon and common ones, maybe, because I feel like they're just a waste. Okay, auto delete common and uncommon. At least the blue ones, you know, they're $9 worth something. But the common and uncommon ones, yeah, nah. No need. I'm not broke anymore. Pretty rich. Alright, we need to start making more money. Okay, we could get the next floor. 4,400. I need 2,000 for a super dropper. Oh, it feels so good just to see $9 or more. Okay, we do need better ones. We're not making enough money as we were, or at least that's how I feel. I feel broke, and I don't like feeling broke. I want to be rich. Oh, I think we might be able to get a pet. I believe. We'll try to go get a pet. Okay, Mr. Pet. 500. Come on. If it's not better than. Oh. What was that? 15%. Okay, we'll take it. I was gonna say, if it's not better than 15%, I would give up on life. Equip. Now we make. Okay, what does it do? I didn't read it. Well, okay, we get better luck. Factory. Okay, see? Okay, let me just claim this thing. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, increase my luck. Does it tell me what it was? Oh, either way, my luck just went up a lot. Okay, where's my pets? See, 1.6. Unequip. Equip. Yeah, having this pet is a lot better. Alright, starting to make more money now. Okay, we'll get our first super duper dropper. Oh, what is that? $1,000 exotic legendary? Oh, we're getting a bunch of exotics. That was my stomach. Okay. Now I feel rich. I got 2 exotics, which means a lot of money. I could smell it. Okay, we'll increase the processing speed just because I felt like it. I feel like I have a lot of money just waiting in here, and I need it to be processed a lot faster. Okay, we'll get another super dropper. And then we'll wait a bit and get another one after that. Celestial, ooh. Is it better than exotic though? Is the question. Is it better than exotic? Okay, we'll put it in there. If our money goes over like 400 in a second, not yet. I should have waited and then got an exotic and then compare. Yeah, I think I just got 3,000 from that or more. I don't maybe, I don't know. Okay, we'll get the most expensive one. So that way, you know, the other ones feel cheap, feel less valuable, or at least they don't feel like they're as expensive because I already spent 6,000. I hope. Oh yeah, you see. Oh, it tells me 3,000. Yep. Then I think exotic is like 1,000. I believe. Okay, legendary is 300. Yeah, exotic is 1,000. If I stand here, like near the entrance, feels. Ooh, we got this blue looking thing. Again, I don't know what that is for, but it's there now. Okay. Now I could get another super dropper. And then almost another one. We got another golden dragon coin thing. What are they for? I don't know. We could get a gift. Claim. Okay. Claimed another gift. Oh, we get 2 times money. Alright. Let me toss these in here. Okay, we got an exotic. Yeah, celestial's right here, which means it's better. Okay. Now we could get 2 more of these droppers. Alright, we got it all leveled up. We need a rebirth, which I'm not doing. You need a rebirth for these as well, which I'm not doing right now. Alright, I feel rich, really rich, and I got a pet dog. I think that's all for this game. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye.